You see, everything around us is becoming automatic nowadays. Starting from your TV, fridge, washing machine, computer, and so on. Yet they depend on us to make them turn off and on physically. Even though they are fit to perform automatically, they hinge on these basic needs, and so we. What if our smartphones can have access to and control the devices we have at home? Is it possible to tune the TV channel using our hand gestures? What if the ambience of the room turns aesthetic by switching the toggle? What if your watch records the temperature of your body rather than using a thermometer? If so, that will change our daily tasks effectively and economically. And yes, this is the Internet of Things, famously known as IoT. IoT is nothing but a new emerging technology that is gonna rule the coming world, that helps us to handle, control, and access devices efficiently and effectively from anywhere, anytime.